Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Three Little Birds. We'll start by learning the three main chords, G major, D major, and a minor. Focus on forming clear shapes with your fingers. Then, we'll tackle the basic strumming pattern, ensuring a consistent rhythm. Practice transitioning smoothly between each chord to build muscle memory. This foundation is key to mastering the song. Now, let's dive into the strumming. The pattern is down, down, up, up, down, up. Practice this slowly at first, ensuring each stroke is clear. To capture that iconic reggae feel, slightly emphasize the upstrokes. Maintain a steady tempo, perhaps counting out loud or using a metronome. Consistency in your rhythm will make the song sound authentic and enjoyable to play. Understanding the song's structure is next. Three Little Birds follows a straightforward verse-chorus pattern. The chords typically change every 4 beats. Focus on making your transitions between G, D, and a minor as smooth as possible. Anticipate the next chord and move your fingers efficiently. Consistent practice will make these changes feel natural and effortless. To truly master this song, consistent practice is essential. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes each day. Listen to the original recording frequently to internalize the rhythm and feel. Try playing along with the song to refine your timing and ensure you're keeping pace. Remember, every little bird sings its own tune, so enjoy the process of learning and playing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.